Britain's Education Minister Elizabeth Truss and her delegation of education experts have begun a two-day tour of Shanghai to learn about the city's experience in teaching, particularly in mathematics. Zhang Ningben followed the delegation's visit today to the city's Education Commission and Shanghai Normal University.
Just hours after her plane landed, the minister met with Shanghai education officials. She says historically, Britain hasn't had many 16 to 18-year-old students taking math and science classes. But she says what makes her trip important is that over the past 3 years, there's been a 32% increase in students taking some mathematically based subjects like physics, chemistry, and biology.
We recognise that for the future economic success of England and Britain as a whole, that we need to do more to encourage students to take those subjects very, very seriously. And one of the things that we're working on, first of all, we have a new national curriculum, which we're implementing this September.
Truss says before that happens, she will establish 30 math, tech and physics hubs across Britain by using what she learns about math teaching in Shanghai. 15-year-olds in Shanghai were the world's best in mathematics in the 2012 program for international student assessment, known as the PISA tests. Britain was in 26th place. The president of Shanghai Normal University, who is also in charge of the PISA tests in Shanghai, says what Shanghai has achieved in math education is also the result of years of learning from Western countries like Britain.
我90年就在英国读书了，我读什么就是学习他们的教育的经验。
I studied in Britain as early as 1990. I was learning about the British experience in education. Now we are using what we've learned from them, but maybe they can also learn something from us. And the education will be better for all if we learn the best from each other. As I always say, when the East meets the West, you should get the best.
那么，全世界教育就会更好。
The UK delegation will visit 3 local primary and middle schools before going to Wuhan in Hubei province on Wednesday, and then to Beijing on Thursday to meet with officials from China's Education Ministry. Zhang Ningben, Shanghai Live.